Okay guys, quick update for Bitcoin. I'm going to explain why I think it's very likely Bitcoin could crash after the next FOMC meeting. If you like this content and you'll leave a like, I would be much appreciated. Remember, you can access all these live charts on my website. Links pinned in the first comment and description. If you want to sign up for Bitget to trade, that link is also pinned in the first comment and description and have a no VPN option there for you as well. If you watched the last video, this was 17 hours ago. I was telling you where resistance was. It was at 26,500. You can see we got rejected right here at around 26,500. That's the very same video. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. I said your support level is right here around 26,150. As you can see, we came down and we tested 26,150, and then the next daily candle open was above 26,200. So that's your current support. If you want to get your resistance levels, go back and watch the previous video. This is more about the FOMC meeting. I'm going to show you why I think we could have a major drop after that point. I've been talking about this M1 chart. I made a video about this as well, talking about this line here. I said when we hit it, this would be an ideal point to short. I published this chart on March 23rd, 2022. You can see what happened when we hit that line. We came down ever since we hit that line. And this line right here, this was a line that I was talking about to short, which made sense. Every time we hit one of these lines in this fib channel, we got rejected. It worked at this one, so it made sense it would work at this one. It did not. A lot of people gave me flags, say your charts don't work, you don't know what you're talking about. Guys, this is about probability. Just because this one didn't work, people probably thought this one would work, and you can see it did. And I also made a video about this. This was let's see, 1 month ago. Said for lazy idiots who only read the title, short 31,400, you're welcome at FU. This is because people were not watching the videos and just reading the thumbnails and the titles. But basically I was saying you wanted to short 31,400 would be the top. I'll link this video now if you want to check it out. And this is the chart I published just for this line. This was April 14th. You can see what happened. So had you shorted this point, you shorted the very top. And you can see currently that is the line we're holding support at right now that I just referenced at the beginning of this video. So you say, well, how do you know that Bitcoin is going to crash at the FOMC meeting? Well, this video I put up, this was 5 months ago. It said Bitcoin could pump to 22K from here. I explained why. It was just based on this ring. Now this ring, this blue fib circle, every time we cross one of these blue rings, we always pump. So that told me not only would we get a move, but the move would be to the upside. That's why I said pump to 22K. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link up to it now. This is the chart I published just like that other one, the M1 chart. I published just for this ring. This is published on December 26, 2022. So when we cross this ring, expect a pump, and you can see what happened. We pushed up from that point, and this is the next ring. Now, while the blue ring told us that we would get a move, and the move would be to the upside, this ring, it just tells us we're going to get a move. We don't know which direction, but it seems likely with everything that's going on, that move will be to the downside. And you can see this very same chart. This was the blue ring that caused price to pump when we crossed it. And this is the next ring we're about to cross soon. And this right here, this vertical red line, is the next FOMC meeting. So that's a hell of a coincidence, or something's about to happen. You can make up your own mind what you think is going to happen, but I do believe based on that fib circle. And you can clearly see how well price has been respecting it. We crossed this ring, we dumped. We found support, pushed up as resistance. We wrote right up this ring as resistance. We're about to cross this ring soon. It takes place right when the FOMC meeting happens, so I think it's very likely, again, based on what's going on with the slowing of the economy, fears of a recession, it just seems likely that we're coming down to fill, actually, I mentioned in the last video, to take out all of those longs at 24,000. And that could trigger a much larger drop. So expect something major to happen at the next FOMC meeting. I will keep you guys updated. Again, if you want to access all these live charts and you want to sign up, the link's pinned in the first comment description. And if you do want to sign up for a Bitget, that link's also pinned in the first comment description as well. And by the way, if you do sign up, make sure you email me to get access to the Discord. One last thing, guys, the DXY, just want to cover this. It looks like we're in a bullish pattern right now. You see this is our resistance, support, resistance, support. So if we do break to the upside and we get above 104 and we hold support, we're looking at a lot of upside for the DXY, which means a lot of downside for Bitcoin and the stock market. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.